spent 14 years in the IT industry, working for many companies like Barclays, T-Mobile, Vodafone, and many more across the globe, Germany, England, many European cities, and Indian cities. During this time, he worked in various roles, that of a developer, team leader, manager, on-site delivery manager, and AVP. All along, he wanted to give back to the society and his country, and that is why he gave up his corporate career and turned entrepreneur. So far, he and his company have made the following impact: saved 160K plastic waste with innovative bamboo products, recognized by UN and invited to New Delhi to showcase innovation on World Environment Day 2018, conferred with the title of Most Promising Startup 2017 by Cummins College, Pune, reached 1600 pin codes in India and 18 countries in the last 2 years, worked in association with more than 100 bamboo farmers and artisans across India. He is an advisor on the Maharashtra Bamboo Board, national level advisor for Kasturi Women Entrepreneurship Mission, invited to shared Indian social entrepreneurship startup journey at SARC event New Delhi 2018. On behalf of Neswadia College of Commerce, I thank Mr. Shinde for agreeing to talk to us today and request him to begin the session.
Yes, thank you, Tanushree. Thank you so much. Is I'm audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, great. Actually, can you give me the access so that I can share my presentation?
Yes, you can share the presentation. Sharing is on.
Okay, great. So, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first of all, thank you so much, Mariam ma'am, and all the students of Wadia College to invite me for this wonderful session, and wish you all the best. Wish you all the best for this World Environment Day. Most of you know that today is World Environment Day, and it's a very beautiful time to get together to talk about something on some social entrepreneurship like Bamboo India. So yes, thank you, Tanushree, once again for this lovely introduction. I will just update a few things. So this is the agenda of this call is right now. I will just go through a few slides, and after that, we will have a dialogue session rather than I will continue talking. You just maybe Tanushree can collect all the questions in the chat room during this session, and then she will ask me one by one. So is it okay? Okay, great. So, team, this is my Bamboo India team at this moment. So we have a plant in Pune, and so we have. Uh, I will just so these are the products which we have. So right from the bamboo toothbrush to bamboo pen, comb, all the products you can replace with replace to plastic. So that is what our mission is all about. So we started 2016 on 15th August, just another day to get independence from the plastic to my beloved country, India. And so this is our website, and this is the journey so far. So the figures which Tanushree shared are a bit old. So now in this year, February 2020, we crossed our 1 million kilogram plastic waste campaign. So we saved around 10 lakh kilogram plastic since the company started. So we reached more than 24,000 customers so far, exporting more than 18 countries and associated farmers more than 2200. So these are the just numbers. So this is our journey so far. We started to 2016. Our offline channel launched in 2017. 2020, we recognized by one of the eco-friendly startup by United Nations. We got opportunity to meet the journey is still going on. This year, last year, we set up India's biggest bamboo toothbrush plant here in Pune. we also. So is it network
So
is okay?
your voice is just going off and like not,
Okay.
you're not audible in between.
Okay. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I was just saying, in 2018 we got United Nations recognition